Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Altura token. Ticker symbol is ALU. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced that the ALU token will be listed on Mexc Global December 4th at 13 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ALU, and then simply just buy the token. So, Altura has everything you need to succeed in Web3 gaming. So what is Altura? Well, Altura makes it easy to build, scale, and monetize Web3 games. Altura's API and SDKs allow you to create, update, and transfer NFTs in-game without technical complexities or costly investments. Our built-in authentication tools secure your NFT economy, simplify user enrollment, and instill trust in your player base. And with the help of our marketplace solutions, you have the flexibility to sell your NFTs on our thriving marketplace or create your own custom branded storefront with our white label solution. So why would you use Altura? Simplifies Web3 integration, so implementing Solidity, Web3, JS, Graph, QL, IPFS, and managing blockchain nodes can be complex and time-consuming, and with Altura's developer-friendly tools and easy-to-read documentation, you can deploy your Web3 stack in a fraction of the time it would take manually. You can save time and resources, so game development teams often spend significant time managing their Web3 stack, which can add to your burn rate and increase development costs. Altura's solutions can help you cut these costs and streamline your development process so you can focus on building your game. You can connect with a community of gamers and Web3 enthusiasts. Altura's marketplace and community tools can help you promote your game to a large audience of gamers and Web3 enthusiasts. You can also list and sell your NFTs on the Altura marketplace, where thousands of players buy, sell, and trade daily. Build with confidence. Altura's built-in authentication tools and support for multiple blockchains and NFT standards can help you build a secure and trustworthy NFT economy for your game. So, if you want to find information about this project, you can check out their document section, which is like a full white paper at docs.alturanft.com. They go over how to create a project. So you would navigate to the developer dashboard, connect your wallet, verify your email address. It takes you step by step through creating a project. It goes through blockchains and gas fees. The blockchain supported on Altura is 12 mainnet blockchains like Ethereum, Polygon, Polygon, ZK, EVM, Binance, Smart Chain, Avalanche, C, Chronos, Phantom, Telos, Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, and Homeverse. Now, if you want to learn about importing NFTs and minting NFTs, it takes you through how to mint and import NFTs to the Altura marketplace, step by step. And then bulk mint NFTs, lazy mint, importing collections, and minting individual NFTs. You can learn all about that on their document section. Linking your collections, the developer wallet, smart NFTs, they have loot boxes, getting your API key, integrating Altura, and then you can read all about their marketplace, listing your games on the marketplace, getting your collections verified, create your own branded marketplace. So they go through the SDK references. They have API references on here. So just tons of information on this project here on their document section if you want to learn all about that. Now they do have a Twitter as well. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here so you guys can easily find this project at Altura NFT. Gold verified checkmark, 131,300 Twitter members. So doing insanely well on Twitter. And on that link tree that you could find on the Twitter, it goes through the Web3 infrastructure for games, Altura documentation, marketplace, blog, Unity SDK, Unreal SDK, Altura Guard 2.0, white label marketplace, and support the Altura ecosystem. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a BSC scan that you could find that's going to have the tokenomics on there. Now it says here that they have a total supply of 1,330,000,000 ALU tokens. Right now they have an insane amount of holders, 73,631 holders. Price of the token today is actually up 7.51%. It's around 8 cents per token. Fully diluted market cap is $103 million. Fully circulating supply market cap is $55 million. And there is 18 decimal places on this token. They do have a Discord that you can find on their webpage. Their official webpage is alturanft.com. And yeah, and then so if you want to join the conversation, that's a great place to do it, is on their Discord. On their webpage, you can find contact information, links to all their products, and yeah, the ultimate platform for building and scaling Web3 games, Altura. So check it out. Let me know in the comment section, since I am not a financial advisor. What do you guys think about the ALU token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.